History of Brandenburg Gate. The Brandenburg Gate is a famous landmark in Berlin, Germany. It is one of the most important symbols of the city. The gate has a rich history and beautiful architecture. Architecture of the Brandenburg Gate. The Brandenburg Gate was built between 1788 and 1791. The architect was Karl Gotthard Langhans. He designed the gate in the neoclassical style. The gate has 12 columns. These columns create 5 passageways. The central passageway is the largest. It is 3.5 meters wide. The gate is about 26 meters tall. It is made of sandstone. The quadriga, a statue of a chariot drawn by 4 horses, sits on top of the gate. This statue symbolizes victory. The quadriga was created by the sculptor Johann Gottfried Schadow. The horses are led by a goddess named Victoria. She represents peace and victory. Historical events. The Brandenburg Gate has seen many important events. It was originally built as a city entrance. It welcomed people to Berlin. In 1706, Napoleon Bonaparte marched through the gate after defeating Prussia. He took the quadriga to Paris. This was a difficult time for Berlin. After Napoleon's defeat, the quadriga returned to Berlin in 1814. The gate then became a symbol of peace. It represented hope for the future. In 1945, during World War II, the gate was damaged. Bombs destroyed parts of it. The gate stood in a destroyed city. In 1961, the Berlin Wall was built. The wall separated East and West Berlin. The Brandenburg Gate was in the no-man's land. Many people could not see the gate. It became a symbol of division. On November 9, 1989, the Berlin Wall fell. This was a momentous occasion for Germany. People celebrated together. The Brandenburg Gate became a symbol of freedom and unity. It opened again after many years of separation. Cultural importance. Today, the Brandenburg Gate is a popular tourist destination. Millions of people visit every year. The gate is a place for celebrations and events. On New Year's Eve, many people gather there. They enjoy music, fireworks, and dancing. The atmosphere is joyful and exciting. The gate is also a site for important political events. Many leaders visit the Brandenburg Gate. It is a symbol of democracy and peace. People often hold rallies and protests near the gate. It is a place where voices are heard. The Brandenburg Gate is not just a structure. It tells the story of Berlin. It reminds people of the city's past. It also represents hope for the future. The gate is a place where history and modern life meet. Brandenburg Gate. Today, the Brandenburg Gate is beautifully illuminated at night. It looks stunning against the dark sky. The lights create a magical atmosphere. Many visitors take photos in front of the gate. It is a favorite spot for selfies. There are many events held near the Brandenburg Gate. Concerts, festivals, and exhibitions attract large crowds. People come from all over the world to experience the gate's beauty. It is a place where cultures meet and celebrate. The Brandenburg Gate is also featured in many films and artworks. It appears in movies that show Berlin's history. Artists often draw or paint the gate. It inspires creativity and imagination. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Brandenburg Gate is an important symbol in Berlin. Its architecture is beautiful and historic. The gate has witnessed many significant events. It represents peace, freedom, and unity. The gate continues to inspire people today. Each visitor feels the spirit of history when they stand before the Brandenburg Gate. It is a reminder of the past and a symbol of hope for the future. The Brandenburg Gate is not just a landmark. It is a part of Berlin's identity. It will remain an important symbol for generations to come. As you visit Berlin, do not miss the opportunity to see this magnificent gate. It is a place where history comes alive. The Brandenburg Gate invites everyone to learn and remember. Its story is the story of Berlin and its people. If you like it, please subscribe. I would be happy.